So if you are a fresher and want to come to the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so subscribe to this channel because here we do not bring only job notifications but also enhance your skills. Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, MyDataVersion. So today we have a job notification for a data scientist in the company Ntrophy Network. So before we jump into the job notification and job responsibility, let's first know about the background of the company. So Ntrophy Network is basically a software-based company. The company's software evaluates borrow risk utilization, open banking, and transition data, and converting data into the category and labels, so that it can allow the clients to detect fraud and any irrelevant experience, and it's up with different companies. So the position is of data scientist, and the location is mentioned New York, but don't worry, it is remote job. So basically, they have described the need of this role in detail. So I have given you the link. You can go through it once before applying. Now, what you will be doing? So push the limit of what can be done with data, build the team and drive the direction of the company, shape our product and culture, experience the direct impact of what you build on hundreds of the millions of the people in the financial life. So basically, here you will be dealing with data, increasing companies' productivity, and adopting the work culture. And whatever products they have, try to inculcate your skills and enhance the productivity. Now about their requirements. So they are finding the candidate who know about the tool like Python, Pandas, Polar, and Matplot. You should be good enough with the SQL and fundamental database operations. Recognize open source contribution and top performance in the data competitions. Fluency in statistic and probability. So as you can see, their requirements and roles are straightforward and simple. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe this. Thanks.